Welcome back to the channel HBNR families. So this is the sewing section of the Joggers pants. If you are just coming across this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching HBNR. So now I'm going to join the pocket to the front part of the joggers. So here's the front part, and I'm going to take one of the pockets. I'm going to place it on the front part facing each other like this, and I'm going to flip it like this. After flipping it, I'm going to run my stitches starting from where I notch on the front part of the joggers, just like this. So you need to pay full attention to this pocket so that you won't get it wrong. So after that, I'm going to flip it to the right side, just like this, and I'm going to make a top stitch on it. I'm making a top stitch on it. I'm going to fold the pocket into two equal parts like this, and I'm going to make a top stitch on it just to hold the pocket down like this. So I'm going to do the same thing at the upper part as well. So after that, I'm going to open this area and I'm going to notch the bottom of the pocket. This area, I'm going to notch it. After notching it, I'm going to run stitches on it like this. And after running stitches on it, I will make sure that I weave it. So after weaving it, this is how it looks like. And now the next thing is to attach the one of the back parts. So I'm going to attach it to this, the one that will match this front. I'm going to attach it to it like this. So I will run the stitches to the ankle area. So after joining the side together, this is how it looks like. As you can see, the pocket looks accurate and doesn't have any deficiency. It looks beautiful. So I'm going to stitch this top to hold the pocket down as well, so that it won't give me problem whenever I want to attach the waistband to it. So I'm going to weave the side area as well, which I've done. So this is how it looks like. Now the next thing is to attach elastic band to the ankle area. So now I'm going to take the measurement of the ankle area, but it will exclude seaming allowance. So I'm going to leave seaming allowance. So this is my seaming allowance. Starting from the seaming allowance, I'm going to take the measurement of the ankle, which gives me 7 inches. So you know I'm taking the measurement on fold. So 7 plus 7, it will gives me 14 inches. So now I'm going to fold the elastic as well, and I'm going to measure 4.5 So definitely I deducted 2.5 from my ankle area for the elastic band. So I'm going to place the elastic band like this. I'm going to stitch it down. So I'm going to do the same thing to the second side as well. So if you don't know how to cut these joggers pants, you can check the description section below. I've dropped the link on how to cut these joggers pants there. So I'm going to weave the edge of the elastic band with the edge of the ankle area. So just like this, as you can see, I've weaved it. So now I'm going to run stitch on the elastic band now, just to make the ankle area to look like carrot pant. So I'm going to do the same thing here. Now after that, I'm going to make a stitch on the edge of the elastic band like this. You don't need to rush yourself while stitching in this area. Just take your time and let your work looks great and perfect. So this is how the ankle area will looks like. So after that, I'm going to fold it together and I'm going to run stitches on it till it reaches my crotch area. So after it reaches the crotch area, definitely I'll finish one side of the pant. So the same step I follow in this side, so I'm going to follow the same thing at the second side as well. So after turning it to the right hand side, this is how it will look like. So now I'm going to attach the both sides together. So I'm going to join the crotch of both sides. I'm going to join it together. So the front part, I'm going to place it on the front part like this. So the front crotch, I'll place it on the front crotch and I'm going to run stitches down to the back crotch. So when I'm done with the joining of the both crotch together like this, so after joining the left and right together, this is how it looks like. So the next thing is to just attach the elastic band to the joggers and everything will be okay. So I need to take the circumference of the waist of the joggers and it gives me 21. You know, this is the front part and the back part will also gives me 21, which gives me 42 all round. So this is my waistband. The height of the waistband is 5 inches and I'm going to mark 22. I'm going to add extra seaming allowance to it. So I'm going to sew it like this. So that's the swimming allowance we added to it. I've sewn it out. And the next thing is to cut the band that I'm going to put in this fabric. But before cutting the band, the first thing I'm going to do is to take the actual waist measurement of the particular person you are sewing the clothes for. So the particular waist measurement for these joggers is 32 inches. So and I'm going to deduct 6 inches from 32, which will give me 26. So that's why I cut the band to be 13 inches on fold, which will give me 26 inches. So I've already joined the band together like this and I'm going to put it inside the fabric, inside this fabric like this. So you need to pay attention to this segment as well so that your waistband will look professional. So I'm going to draw the elastic band to match with the fabric. So I've already made a video on how to cut and attach elastic waistband into the joggers. You can check the description section below. I've dropped a link there, so you can follow the steps on the video if you don't understand this. So this is how the band looks like, and I'm going to weave the edge of the band. I've already weaved it like this, so I'm going to place the seaming area facing each other of the front like this, and I'm going to run the stitches. So I'll make sure I draw the elastic waistband to match with the joggers waist. So I'm going to start my stitches till it reaches the starting area back. So here it looks like after the joining of the elastic band to the waist area. This is how it looks like.